Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to look cute when you're on a budget. So if you're like me and you like to go shopping for clothes literally all the time, but you don't really like to break the bank, then this is the perfect video. Everything in this video was under $15 and I got it from places like Goodwill, Poshmark, Depop, little vintage stores I walked by on the way home, and some were even hand-me-downs from friends. So I don't really know how to describe my style. I dress pretty unique, which is why it's kind of hard for me to find something I like at stores in the mall or just any regular schmegular store. So thrift shopping is where it's at. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe because this is my first YouTube video, trying to get my numbers up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, enjoy. Okay guys, so right here I have a two-piece set I got from Goodwill. It's an olive green and it's just this like business yet cute look, and I paired it with a white little crop top, a snakeskin purse, and then some white platform sneakers to keep it cash. Then right here I have some cropped bootleg army green pants that I paired with a snakeskin crop top, a black heart-shaped backpack, and then just some casual platform sneakers. Right here we have this plaid skirt that I got from Goodwill, guys, for like $1. It was crazy. And I paired it with my furry little purse, a white crop tank top, and then some white sneakers just to keep it a little bit cash. Right here we have some really cute retro style bootcut jeans that I paired with a snakeskin crop top, some cute little small heeled sandals that are black, and then my black furry purse again. And of course I added some hoop earrings just to keep the sass alive, guys. Right here is one of my personal faves. It's this two-piece red plaid skirt and jacket set that I paired with the same little white crop top and the same white sneakers and some gold earrings. It's just this really cute casual look that you could wear anywhere. So that's all I have for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it.